Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Portability is one of the most important things nowadays. You don't need to buy a PC for studying, working, or even playing games. You don't need even laptop for most everyday tasks. Modern 2-in-1 tablets are very powerful and they can easily replace your computer or laptop. In this video, I want to talk about one of the best or maybe even the best 2-in-1 tablet called Voyo VBook i7 Plus. It comes with 12.6-inch 3K display, Intel Core i7 processor, 8 or 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of SSD memory. It sounds very impressive, do you agree? So let's make first review and find out its main features. Voyo VBook i7 Plus is 2-in-1 device. It means that you can use it as a tablet and laptop. You can connect the keyboard and even use stylus. These accessories are sold additionally. As for the tablet, it is made of metal. Its weight is about 900 grams and 9.7 mm thick, which makes it one of the lightest laptops on the market. On the back, there is a 360-degree kickstand, so you can place the tablet on the table at any convenient angle. It provides 4 different modes, such as stand, laptop, tablet, and stand. Among the available connectors, there are 2 USB 3.0 ports, USB Type-C port, micro HDMI, 3.5mm audio jack, TF card slot, and DC port for charging. The tablet is equipped with 2-megapixel front camera and 5-megapixel rear camera. Voyo VBook i7 Plus looks very decent tablet and even laptop. I would recommend to buy a keyboard and it can be used as your daily laptop. As for the display, it is non-standard for tablets because it has 12.6-inch diagonal and 3K resolution 2880 by 1920 pixels. Compared to many other 2-in-1 tablets on the market, the display of Voyo VBook i7 Plus is sharper, detailed, and brighter, which makes it perfect for using in direct sunlight. No doubts, the display is one of the features of new tablet. Perhaps Voyo VBook i7 Plus is the most powerful tablet that I have ever seen. It uses a chipset from laptops Intel Core i7-7500U with clock speed up to 3.5 GHz. The basic model comes with 8 gigs of RAM, but you can expand it up to 16 gigs. The graphics is Intel HD 620. Another highlight is 256 gigs of SSD memory. The specifications are very impressive for tablet. It means that you can use Voyo VBook i7 Plus as your daily tablet, laptop, computer, or whatever you want. You should not expect high gaming performance because there is no dedicated high-end GPU, but it is very good for daily tasks and even the most popular games and apps. As for the software, the tablet runs on Windows 10 Home out of the box. It doesn't differ from PC or laptop version, so everything should be familiar. Voyo VBook i7 Plus is equipped with 10,200 mAh battery. The battery life will depend on usage, but manufacturer promises about 10 hours on a single charge. The full battery charge takes 5 hours, which is a good result. I'm very excited of Voyo VBook i7 Plus because it has high-quality 3K display, powerful hardware, Windows 10 out of the box, and useful accessories. By the way, I would recommend to buy a keyboard together with tablet if you plan to use it as your daily device for working, studying, or playing. Also, you can order a stylus with 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, another useful accessory for drawing and making notes. Thanks for watching. Hope my video was useful for you. If yes, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.